Good morning, General Masemula. Good morning. What General Mkhwanazi is doing there's still a lot to come. General Mapiani, General Amon Mashiku, General Permal Naidu, General Sinona. Those were all the criminals in the police that tried to get rid of members that stopped them in doing their wrongs. Some of us are sitting at home today not working. We're serving the country with pride and love. We're giving the police everything we have. If I can get a chance to talk to Mkhwanazi, I'll tell him everything that I know. I'll tell him how the vehicles were stolen by General Mashihu and Mapiani out of the SAP-13. I know so much about them. The syndicate of Mamelodi, the big syndicate that steal cars, with the children of Amon Mashihu, if you talk, General Amon Mashihu will get rid of you. General Mapiani, he was raping the junior constables for promotion. If you disclose that, I went and sat down with the late Brigadier Ntengo and gave him everything that I have. General Mapiani makes sure that he gets rid of me. I was in a meeting, or I was charged on a departmental hearing where a Colonel van der Merwe and a Colonel Falk was sitting. He went to the office of Colonel van der Merwe and chased him away to Sunnyside police station just because he didn't complete the mandate that he gave him to dismiss me. How many more policemen are sitting at home that this country needs that are dismissed illegally? General Begi Tele, I was called by Minister Mte,